ok en thuolo mokwongo wasenyo kata kinde mokalo.
In fact, gitamo I build evidence. Karaga koro di court. And ingen gin wigi will ni gik magitimogo nyalo konyo in other jurisprudence. Ka ji odhi kati court. So inyalo nwang' ni seche moko you reasoned well. Ma can even interest a judge. Ni despite the voting power, jogi nen ga good idea that can be still be bought. Kech court is a court of record. To ka koro mana kaka wakili wacho. Gima nyaki ing'e ni bunge Hansard nen gima duong', and Hansard can form part of the evidence before court. To ka koro gin Hansard gidwa no ndek ni ji nyo walk out. Nwa walk out 50, I don't know 40. That's a very mega number. Magta ku walk out onego nwang' wich kuot. Karo onego ugaga kokie kacha will make the whole area ungovernable. Nikech nitie space momiu. You know, like I would give you an example. I remember kane wanyo bunge ma 1992 ne nyonre bunge to wacho no reform, no elections. Molosia, most of our members of parliament by then were very tactful people. Ne gitingo placards gibano manisati. And Molosia became unruly bobedo na sent out. The rest of the people stood their ground. And ne give vote bobaje to the nyime. But still we obtained the constitutional reform. Ineno nikechango there was a precedent. Manager loss. So in this angle, I think ni sanyo ni go watch ma walking out. Oni benwa walk out kawa ni in the majority or kawa 10. Kawa 10 to go apply other tactics and we bid people who can build a record. You know that parliament is a very good parliament because today, if you go there and find out no JM no lal, tibon wangu ni shukukunu chumbo penjo. One wanka JM onge and nobody is telling us. To Muyu Chung, Kamuyu Wachon, there looks to have been the late president, Wachon, Yalobenen, Zambia, and Kud. To Shukunyan Rengan, Yakabe, no solalo. To Serone, Manen in the speaker there. To I think there was a member of parliament, Manedu and Shuku substantiate. Then Serone Wachon, you don't substantiate the obvious. Those are things in the record. We were not born then. But what's Ramogi? Koro walking out, I don't know whether it is anywhere recorded. So we must build another tack. I would expect Junet Kaka, the leader of minority. Let him marshal his troops in terms of debate than walking out. Walking out ni ukoso bedoka konyowa. Ene najima kelochi amoroni jumathundi uwok. To Kenya bero thuon at a loss. Thuoni bero na kiwin. Iwinja. Koro wain ge jogi. Nikecha I always tell people no. Ramogi, Kibaki and Matiba hardly had 78 members of parliament. But if you look at debates Manialo during that time, things worked out. Emomi inenoka out of the work manajogotim, Omijika Kitwigi are still being seen in the world as prospective leaders. So, Gimadu Major team in parliament today, and I still urge ni Jowa manyo kogo kura 149 Jo Kenya gi. Majo Kenya no yero gi. We need very good reasons. One ka Kenya lo cover their statements. Here now is where we want the NGOs now to work. Katiba Institute giruti ka. Giked forces gikage no jo kogo kura nango. Negin kune. And why is it that also the speaker nyalo decide an important motion like this? Ka members miachielo prangwen go chiko nge bunge. You see, it's not a question of Gokora. It's a question of the importance of that bill and the consequences magino the effect. Omi, I think ni variations mag the prospect of this motion bendenye speaker korango. You understand? The house bendenya kabeda house of management. Kigibeda the house matimugi moko for the sake of it.
Tero kamana inya. Wati yeko tuwak mara ute gimani gogiyo gonyore kamo chomo Senate wakili. Genomane mantire kaka. Kakoro chomo Senate. Pono wanyando kama kore chak penj ni Attorney General mapacho kama nagubene sumo paro weche gimag chike na jatend piny Kenya reme thuolo machielo